everyone, welcome back to Best Out of Best. If you have got a smart ceiling fan or you are thinking about getting one, you are probably using it the basic way on, off, change the speed, and that's about it. But what if I told you your fan could do a whole lot more? Today I'm sharing 5 hidden hacks that most people have no idea their smart ceiling fan can do. These tricks will help you stay more comfortable, save energy, and even make your mornings and nights smoother. So grab your phone or remote and let's dive into the coolest things your ceiling fan can do. Nature and sleep modes for natural breeze. Most smart fans, especially those from popular brands, include special breeze modes that mimic natural airflow. In most smart fan apps or remote, just switch on nature mode to get soft, gusty wind patterns, almost like you're outside on a breezy day. And if you struggle with sleep, sleep mode gives you a gentle, steady breeze designed for nighttime comfort. Automate fan by temperature. Now here's where it gets really smart. Automate your fan based on room temperature. Let's say your room gets above 70 degrees. You can set the fan to turn on automatically, and when it cools down to say 67 degree Fahrenheit, it turns off. You can do this with most smart fan apps or through platforms like Home Assistant or Alexa routines. Reverse direction for winter efficiency. Think ceiling fans are just summer? Think again. Most smart ceiling fans come with a DC motor, which means they can run in reverse. In winter, you can switch the direction of the blades so they push warm air down from the ceiling without creating a draught. Schedule nighttime timer. If you have ever fallen asleep with the fan on all night, this one is for you. Use the built-in timer function in the app to shut off the fan or light automatically after a set time anywhere from 1 to 8 hours. Or better yet, set a schedule to start the fan before you get home or turn it off automatically at bedtime. It's perfect for those who forget to switch it off or just want a little automation magic in their routine. Clean blades quickly with a pillowcase. Alright, this one is more low technology, but it's power gold. To clean your fan blades without making a mess, grab an old pillowcase, slide it over each blade, and wipe all the dust stays inside the pillowcase. Instead of flying everywhere, it's fast, effective, and keeps your home cleaner with zero hassle. And there you have it, 5 hidden hacks of smart ceiling fan that will make your fan feel like a luxury device. From smart automations to better sleep and even winter heating tricks, there is way more to these fans than just on and off. Thank you. See you next time.